Okay, so this video now we're going to be looking at an alternative way of completing a muscle engine technique for the hamstrings. Now the reason we're doing it this way is if you haven't checked out the other video on the hamstring muscle engine technique, then check that out first. It's where we use a belt around the leg and then we push into the belt. Now the problem is I'm quite lucky that I'm quite flexible with my hamstrings, but I appreciate that there's many of you that aren't as flexible as maybe other people. So this is an alternative to do it this way. So what I found is when you use the belt, if you can't get the leg straight, then you do have some difficulty with it. So hence the reason we're bringing this in. Okay, so with this now, what we're going to be doing is, I've actually brought the camera around this way. So this is actually a door frame, the door's in there. And the reason being is I'm actually going to lie on my back. And I'm going to place my leg, this leg through the door. Okay, and this leg is going to come up against the wall. Now again, if you have trouble straightening that leg, what you can do is shuffle back until you can get the leg straight. You'll have to excuse the opposite wall. So you shuffle back until you can get that leg straight, okay? And then what you're going to do is press the heel down in towards the wall, okay? So these are all the muscles that are starting to contract to press into the wall. And same as we've done with all the other videos, you hold it roughly 10-20 seconds. Keep the resistance light so it doesn't have to be a huge press down. You can build that up gradually over time, and then you can relax, okay? And then what you can do is you can start to shuffle yourself down so that you can start to progress it a little bit more. So again, you're pressing down into the wall, holding it, isometric contraction, no movement, and then you relax. Now I want you to only take it until you start to feel pull. So if you're starting to feel a pull and it's quite tight here, actually shuffle back, okay? So it shouldn't be completely tight. That's not what we're doing. We're not actually looking at stretching it. So again, just take it just to where you start to feel it, and then you can press again, okay? And then again, as you start to improve, you can shuffle down. And relax. And then obviously find door frame for the other side, or just shuffle aside. So that's an alternative way of managing your muscle engine techniques for your hamstrings. Enjoy.